In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask for a refund on 1688 app for delayed goods. Whether you're on the 1688 mobile app or using the website, the process is almost the same, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to tap and what to say. Start by opening 1688 or going to 1688.com, then sign into your account and head to My Orders. On the app, this is usually at the bottom menu. On the website, you'll find it in the top navigation. If your interface shows in Chinese, you can use your browser's translate feature or your phone's screen translator to make labels easier to understand. Next, find the specific order you want a refund for. Open that order, then go into the order details page. Double check you've got the right item by confirming the order number, the product name, and the shipping timeline, especially if you're requesting a refund due to delay or non-delivery. Inside the order details, look for the refund or return option. Common buttons you'll see include Shen Qing Tui Quan, which means apply for refund, or Tui Quan Tui Huo, which means refund or return. On some layouts, this may be inside a service or help section or under a more menu. Tap the refund option to begin. You'll be asked to choose a refund reason. Pick the one that fits your situation, such as item not received, wrong item sent, damaged product, poor quality, or supplier did not ship order. For delayed goods, item not received or supplier did not ship order is typically appropriate. Choose accurately. As this helps your case, you'll usually need to upload evidence, provide clear photos if there's damage, a short video if useful, screenshots of your conversation with the supplier showing dates and promises, and tracking proof if the parcel shows no movement. Make sure screenshots include timestamps and order details so your evidence is easy to verify. Now complete the refund form, enter the refund amount, add a concise explanation with key dates and tracking information if relevant, then submit. Your request will show as pending while the supplier reviews it, so keep an eye on notifications. The supplier may approve the refund, offer a replacement, ask you to return the item, or negotiate a partial refund. Reply through the built-in chat so everything stays recorded. Be polite and stick to the facts. If a return is required, ship the product to the address provided, enter the tracking number in the refund request, and keep your receipt. Wait for the supplier to confirm receipt. Once approved, your refund will be sent to your original payment method. Processing usually takes several business days. You can track the status in My Orders or in the refund section. And that's it. You've requested a refund on 1688 for delayed goods with confidence.